Hi Elizabeth, I am Angel, and we are recording this video because as you asking us um, about what tool we use for to load the items. As you remember, we have some problems to load the different items. So I want to show you how we work, how we load the different books, and how we used to do it for example, in the year 2017. So this is the example of one book. This is all the files, a Bible. We got like we, we got 14 files Bible, and everything is okay. And we can do it from any searcher. So our problems basics are those. We are working right now in Firefox, and here we got one problem that we when we download the item, um, he tells us that it's with complication that the file is with an error when we download it. So first, in this book, you can see that in the descriptions we have the description of the copyright. This book has in copyright, and this is how we download. We get in an archive, then with the tags and then the details of the book, and then we start from here, and we got the options of download in this part. So as you can see, we got 13 files, and then but we want to ask to you first why we need to make an admin access if we all already login like administrator. So we want to find why we need to do that if we are already logging. So we need to do that for have a different view and got the information pages. So when we start to load, we got here that it's a failure. It's a fail with the load. So that's one of our problems. This problem is only when we are working in Firefox. So we got here another book that I want to show you that we don't have the information about copyright. And then again, we have to make an admin access when we are already logging. So this is another example that is that we can find that is not in copyright, and the other book don't have this information. And here's another one. This book has the information and the 13 files, as you can see. This got 14 files, and this have 14 files. We want to know why is why is different with this book and why is different with that book. So this is our problem of the law with Firefox. Then if we got to Google Chrome and make a try, we find here the same problem that we have to make the admin access already login, and then when we try to load, as you can see, so when we try to open it, we got that the file have an error. So we want to know why can we fix that, because we can download any single item when with the new books. So basically, what we want to know how we can work different with those tools because we work with those two searches and we work better with this with Firefox, but we still have the problems about the files. So we don't use for answer you. We don't use any special tool. We just search the details of the book in on internetarchive.org, and we use the tools that the page offers us. So when we try it again, we make the load, but um, the program tells us that we have a problem to open the file. So this is our problem, and we wait your answer as soon as possible, and then know if you could check our answer about the new scanner. So I hope you can help us as soon as possible. Thanks for your time, and we'll be able for any response. Thank you.